Personally, আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম. Our Indian Polity MCQ series, where the questions are taken from NCERT. এই সিরিজটো আমি কন্টিনিউ ৰাখিছো আৰু আজি লেকচাৰটো লৈ আপোনালোকক ওয়েলকাম কৰিছো. আজি প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে the word democracy is derived from two Greek words. এই যে democracy wordটো আছে দুটা Greek wordsৰ পৰা Greek termsৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে আৰু সেইকেইটা কি ইয়াত দেখা পাইছে নিশ্চয় যে ডেমোস এণ্ড ক্ৰেটোস এই দুটা গ্ৰীক শব্দৰ পৰা ডেমক্ৰেসি ওয়াৰ্ডটো লোৱা হৈছে সো কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব বি. So the word democracy is derived from two Greek words, demos and kratos, and these two words together mean the authority of the people. So etu question ot ahibo pare je ei je শব্দটো আপোনাৰ কি বুলি কয় Greek words demos আৰু kratos এই দুটাই মিলি কি মিনিং বুজায় এটো হৈছে authority of the people. So under democracy the will of the people is supreme and the citizen can exercise their power of voting. So democracy is stated to be a government by people, of the people and for the people. And this should be fine if all of the people were of one mind. But I know and we all know that they are not. যেকি নহওক আপোনালোকে কেৱল মনত ৰাখিব যে ডেমোস আৰু ক্ৰেটোস এই দুটা গ্ৰীক শব্দৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে ডেমক্ৰেসি শব্দটো আৰু যাৰ যি একেলগে বুজাইছে authority of the people. Now coming to the next question, the government is a system which governs the organization of. Government কি govern কৰে আৰু দিয়া হোৱা অপচন খিনি আপোনালোকে নিজে প্ৰথমতে উত্তৰটো দিবলৈ চাব আৰু পাছত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো লগত মিলাই আপোনালোকৰ শুদ্ধ হৈছে না ভুল হৈছে চাব. So yat uttortu hobo C, that is country. The government is a system which governs the organization of a country. So government is a system which is responsible for exercising executive and political powers with the help of laws framed by it. Now what are the purpose of the government? The purpose of the government is to form a more perfect union and to establish justice. Mone rakhibo, to form a more perfect union and to establish justice are the purposes of the government. Aru tar logot aru ketaman ase jeneke to ensure domestic tranquility, to provide for the common defense, to promote the general welfare, and to secure the blessings of liberty. So প্ৰধানকৈ perfect union বনোৱা আৰু justice to establish কৰা হৈছে গভৰ্ণমেন্টৰ মুখ্য উদ্দেশ্য আৰু বাকি এইখিনি যিখিনি কলো সেইখিনি আপোনালোকে মনত ৰাখিব. Moving to the next question, question number 3, match কৰিবলৈ কোৱা গৈছে কলম A কলম B লগত. ইয়াৰ এটা স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট আপোনালোকে লৈ লব মই শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটোকে ডিসকাস কৰি দিছো কি হ'ব ইয়াত আনসাৰ হ'ব A, that is D E A B C. is a 1 2 3 4 5 দিয়া আছে D E A C লগত মিলিছে A B C লগত মিলিছে. So democratic government is matched to the answerability to people. India written constitution আছে, right? Adult franchise মানে হৈছে direct form of popular participation. Then 4 Great Britain মানে হৈছে unitary government. Then 5 parliamentary system মানে হৈছে fusion of powers. So আকৌ এবাৰ ইয়াত দেখুৱা আছে এইখিনি চাই লব ডেমক্ৰেটিক গভৰ্ণমেন্ট আমি যেহেতু কলো আনসাৰেবল টু দা পিপল কাৰণ পিপলৰ দ্বাৰাই ডেমক্ৰেটিক মানুহৰ আমাৰ দ্বাৰাই নিজৰ গভৰ্ণমেন্টখন ফৰ্ম কৰা হয় সো মানুহৰ উইলৰ পৰাই গভৰ্ণমেন্ট ফৰ্ম কৰা হয় সো গভৰ্ণমেন্টখনৰ কি হ'ব দায়িত্ব হ'ব আনসাৰেবিলিটি টু পিপল ইণ্ডিয়াত এখন ৰিটেন কনস্টিটিউশন আছে এডাল্ট ফ্ৰাঞ্চাইজ মানে এটা বয়সৰ পাছত মানুহে ভোটদান কৰিবলৈ ক্ষমতা পোৱা সো ডাইৰেক্ট ফৰ্ম অফ পপুলাৰ পাৰ্টিসিপেশন গ্ৰেট ব্ৰিটেইনত ইউনিটাৰী গভৰ্ণমেন্ট আছে আৰু পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্টাৰী সিস্টেমত কি হয় ৰাজ্যসভা আৰু লোকসভা আছে তো ফিউজন অফ পাৱাৰ্স. Now moving to the next question, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights declares franchise as a human right in Universal Declaration of Human Rights franchise to human right কোনটো আৰ্টিকলত ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰিছে আৰু হেতু হৈছে আৰ্টিকল 21, that is option A. So everyone has the right to take part in the government of his country either directly or through freely chosen representatives. Everyone has the right of equal access to public service in his country. The will of the people shall be the basis of the authority of government. This will shall be the expressed in periodic and genuine elections, which shall be universal and equal suffrage and shall be held by a secret vote or by equivalent free voting procedure. So Article 21 of the ekhini likha ase aru iar pray gom pao je franchise je eta human right hoy etu iar pray jana jay. So option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question, number 5. Parliamentary government is also known as parliamentary government of aru ki namere jana jay. Cabinet government ne, responsible government ne, Westminster forms of government, then the all of the above. Aru shuddhottor to hobo all of the above. Etu bohote important question. So gom palu je parliamentary government is also known as cabinet government or responsible government or Westminster forms of government, and it is prevalent in Britain, Japan, Canada, India, and other countries. So D, that is all of the above, is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, in India, the system of democracy is followed is, just a minute, ki hurise next question to. In India, the system of democracy follows is, kenuka dhoroner system of democracy ami bharatot follow koru, representative ne, authoritarian ne, rigid. Aru shuddhortu hobo B, that is representative. So representative democracy is a system of government in which all eligible citizens vote on representatives to pass laws for them. And the perfect example is US, where we elect, means they elect the president and members of the Congress. Okay, and in this case, in our case also, we select our representative. So that's why in India also representative government is followed. So correct option to hobo option B. Then coming to the next question, which of the following characteristics is not related to the presidential system? Go through the option. Our correct answer to hobo A, governance of the prime minister. Karon janu je presidential system jot thake tat president tore dobdoponi chole, mane president tore rule chole. So governance of president chole, not governance of prime minister. So baki khini shuddho jenaka single and executive, single membership, resolution of lower house is belen ekhini strictly thake, but governance of prime minister only, governance of president ahibo. So presidential system is a form of government in which the president is the chief executive and is elected directly by the people. In this, all the three branches, that is executive, legislative, judiciary are constitutionally independent of each other, and no branch can dismiss or dissolve anyone. So jodi principles or kotha ko mane characteristics or kotha ko ki hoy, first characteristics is the executive power is undivided and it is deposited in a president who is both the head of the state and the head of the government. The president is elected by the people, not by the legislative branch, which gives him independence before the branch. So etu eta power hoy. The president freely appoints and removes the secretaries of states. Also etu adhikar thake. Neither the president nor the secretaries of state are politically responsible before the Congress, and neither the president nor the secretaries of state as general can be the members of the Congress. So this is the president can be affiliated to a political party different to that of Congress majority. The president cannot dissolve the Congress, but the Congress can give him a vote of censure. And then in the federal government, all the powers and functions are based in the central government and regional government, and they are divided into central government and regional government. So, ami etu gom palu je presidential government ki hoy, gote power khini rashtrapati osorte thake. So, pradhanmantri osorte thake aru kuneu ei tinta jitu house ase, mane kobole gole executive, legislative, judiciary, kuneu itu hetu dissolve koribo nware. তো ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব এ। সো আজিলৈ এইটো কুৱেশ্যনতে সমাপ্ত কৰিছো আজি লেকচাৰটো। আকৌ আমি নেক্সট লেকচাৰত লগ পাম, তেতিয়ালৈকে টেক কেয়াৰ, বাই বাই, জয়।